Can alternative therapies improve sexual life? What sexual secrets can be discovered through astrology? Hello to all lovers of psychology and sexuality. Today, we will unveil the sexual curiosities of women. If you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss our future videos. Also, leave us comments and share your experiences in the section below. Let's get started. Some alternative therapies, such as acupuncture or massage therapy, may benefit sexual life by reducing stress and enhancing relaxation. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before trying these therapies. Astrology is a belief that associates the position of celestial bodies with personality and life. Some people use astrology to explore sexual compatibility or preferences. However, there is no scientific evidence supporting these claims. Asexuality. Not everyone has a sexual interest. It is estimated that around 10% of the population is asexual, meaning they do not feel attraction to either gender. Although it may seem unusual, it is important to respect and understand the diversity in human sexuality. The association between sex and creativity. Some studies have suggested that sexual activity can stimulate creativity and problem solving. The release of dopamine and oxytocin during sex may enhance cognition. Science of kissing. A kiss can activate up to 34 different muscles in the face and burn between 2 and 5 calories per minute. Creativity. Creativity and the ability to express oneself through art, music, or other creative forms can be attractive. Dolphins are known for their active and versatile sexual behavior. They engage in sex for pleasure, to establish social bonds, and occasionally in homosexual activities. Erectile dysfunction and performance anxiety. Performance anxiety can contribute to erectile dysfunction in men. Fear of not being able to satisfy a partner can negatively impact erectile function. Diversity of sexual orientations. Sexual orientation is diverse and goes beyond heterosexuality. It includes orientations such as homosexuality, bisexuality, pansexuality, and many others. Each person has their own unique orientation. Classical music's effect. It has been observed that classical music, particularly Vivaldi's Autumn, can increase sexual arousal. Scientists believe this is due to the rhythm and structure of the music, which may match the rhythm of sexual activity. Emotional support. Offering emotional support and being a good listener can be very attractive to many women. Evolution of pornography. Pornography has evolved significantly with the advent of the internet. It is now instantly accessible and offers a wide variety of content. Facial symmetry. Facial symmetry is often considered attractive due to its association with health and strong genetics. People tend to perceive symmetrical faces as more attractive. Unusual fetishes. Fetishes can vary widely, and some individuals have unusual sexual interests. This may include an attraction to objects, specific roles, or unique situations. Height. In many cultures, height is associated with masculinity and protection, leading some women to find taller men attractive. The importance of consent. Consent is crucial in any sexual activity. Individuals must give voluntary, informed, and affirmative consent before engaging in any sexual act. The influence of pornography on expectations. Pornography can influence sexual expectations. It's important to remember that pornography is a fictional representation of sexuality and should not be seen as a standard for real sexual life. Influence of alcohol on sex. Alcohol can affect sexual function in various ways. While it may lower inhibitions, excessive alcohol can hinder erection in men and arousal in women. Role-playing games are a common way to explore sexual fantasies. Couples can take on roles and scenarios to unleash their creativity and enhance sexual arousal. Preference for long hair. Some research suggests that people often find individuals with long hair more attractive. This could be related to perceived health and fertility. Female masturbation. Masturbation is a common and healthy practice for both men and women. Although there has been stigma around female masturbation, it is an effective way to learn about one's body and experience pleasure. Male multi-orgasms. Although it is more common for women to experience multiple orgasms in a single sexual session, some men can also achieve it. It is believed to be more likely in young and healthy men. The practice of controlling ejaculation can help some men achieve multiple orgasms. Non-verbal communication. The ability to communicate through gestures, eye contact, and positive body language can be very attractive. The role of dopamine. In sex, dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in desire and reward. During sexual activity, the brain releases dopamine, contributing to the sensation of pleasure and reinforcing the desire for sex. Skin as a sexual organ. The skin is the body's largest organ and is filled with nerve endings. Physical contact, such as hugs and massages, can be highly erotic and stimulating. Prevalence of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. STIs are common worldwide and can affect people of all ages and sexual orientations. Condom use and sexual education are important for prevention. The relationship between sex and mental health and sexuality are interconnected. Having a healthy sex life can contribute to better emotional well-being and reduce anxiety and depression. Relationship between pornography and addiction. Pornography addiction is a debated topic in the scientific community. Some people may develop a dependence on excessive pornography consumption, but not all consumers become addicts. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can be very attractive to many women. The ability to make someone laugh is often considered a desirable quality. Sex in space. NASA has investigated how life in space would affect human sexuality. One challenge is gravity, as in a microgravity environment, blood flow and sexual response may change. Research in this field may be crucial for future extended space missions. Sex and sports. Regular physical activity can improve sexual function and performance. Exercise can increase stamina and blood circulation, often translating into better sexual health. Sex and science. The science of sex, known as sexology, is a multidisciplinary field that explores human sexuality from a scientific perspective. Sexologists study a wide range of topics, from sexual anatomy to sexual therapy. Sexual therapy for hypoactive sexual desire disorder focuses on addressing the lack of interest in sex by identifying emotional and physical factors that may be contributing. Smile. A sincere and kind smile is attractive to many people, as it is associated with kindness and empathy. Tattoos. Some women find tattoos attractive as they can be a form of personal expression and creativity. Benefits of morning sex. Having sex in the morning can have health benefits, such as reducing stress and improving mood. The release of oxytocin and endorphins during sex can provide an energy boost. Voice. A man's voice can be attractive to some women. A deep and confident voice is sometimes perceived as more attractive. Human sexuality is a fascinating and diverse field that never ceases to amaze us. Sexual curiosities unveil the wonderful complexity of the human experience in the intimate realm. As we explore and understand these facts, it is crucial to remember that each individual is unique in their sexual experience. Respecting and communicating with your partner are the keys to a satisfying and healthy sexual life. Sexual education and understanding are essential tools for fully embracing our sexuality.